Hi, we are going to learn HTML in simple steps, and we will use Notepad++ for our code writing program, and we'll execute our program in Mozilla Firefox. And I'm going to create, I have created a new folder named HTML on my desktop. And now the basic syntax of HTML is there is always a opening tag, and we will define the tag name here, and there is a closing tab, and we will also define the name of the same predefined tag name. So between these tags we are going to write our code that will be executed. So firstly, there is always a head tag, and there is always a closing tab too, and after that there is a body tag, and there is always a body closing tag too. So what now, every person, I'm giving you an example of a real man person. There is always a head, and everyone have its own name. So just like that, there is always a title tag, and there is always a title tag, title closing too. Now in our body tag we will define all the attributes, like paragraph. We are going to write a paragraph. We are going to make some paragraph bold like B, and we will underline our lines. So now we will initially make a very real and very easy code. Like I'm going to create only a head tag and a closing head tag, and I'm going to define a title. Like I'm going to write what we really want to display on our title. Okay, VMs are developing. That's my developing. Do subscribes. Title. So what now? I'm going to save and desktop, and here is the folder. I'm going to save it with the name index. There is always index first page that will be executed first, and the extension will be HTML, and HTML means hypertext markup language. I'm going to save it. Okay, that's saved now. Now I will check. There is some mistake, I think. Just save my HTML. Oh, it's not yet saved. I didn't save it, I think. Okay, there's it. Now I'm going to double click on it. Now you can see the title is displaying over here, and if we change like HTML in simple steps, I'm going to save it again, and I will just refresh it, and it will be changed to HTML in simple steps. So what next? That is just a code in our head. Now I'm going to write the body tag and the closing body tag too, and here I'm going to write a paragraph like I am learning HTML in simple steps from VMZ developing That's, I think, more than enough, and I'm going to close the tag too. It's not a case sensitive code, but we should create our opening and closing tag for don't make any type of errors in our code. I'm going to save it again, and I'm going to refresh it, and there it is. But I think it's black and I need some colors and I need some font increased. So before we are going to learn about these things, I would like to introduce you with some tags, like heading tags, like font tags, like CSS file. CSS, it would be the cascading style sheet. In this sheet we will change our colors and whatever you want with your tags, and you will learn about the bold tag, the underline tag, and the italic tag, and whatever you want with your tags. We will learn it with the continuous of our lectures. So with this line, this is just a paragraph and it's a too small paragraph, and I want to change it to bigger style. So just for the heading tag, I'm going to tell you there are 1 to 6 different tags, like H1 heading 1, and there is always a closing tag 2. H2 is a closing tag 2. H3, and there is a closing tag 2. H4, H5, and H6. Like, these are the heading tags. The same for the font tags. We will learn it one by one. So I'm going to place these 6 tags. I'm copying here, and I will place it below this line, and I want the same line in these styles too. I'm going to paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it, and paste it. Okay, now I'm going to save it again, and I'm going to refresh my page, and you can see the different types of the heading tags. So it is the paragraph style. This is H1, this is H2, H3, and up to H6. I can also define it's a paragraph tag, and it's H1. It's just for the initial level. H2, it's H3, H4, H5, and H6. I'm going to save it again, and I'm going to refresh my page. 5, and you can see H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So I think that was more than enough for the first tutorial. Watch my next tutorial, and you will surely learn the basics of HTML, and we will continue it for further. Thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe to BMZ Developing.